Here in Hager City, we feel more like a family. We all work together. People get to know each other better, and we like to do a lot of things outside of work together.
The Hager City plant makes the coatings for the different factories in Nestlé Purina. It's the tasty part of the dog food or cat food.
If you take a nacho chip and you have just the chip, and then you put the nacho cheese flavoring on top, we make the nacho cheese flavoring for the pet food. We have 3 different areas. We have a liquid, we have a dry, and then we have HA, so hypoallergenic. The liquid comes in on a tank. We run it through the process to add the flavoring to it. It goes back out on a tank. The dry, we have one of the largest power dryers in the world. We bring in raw ingredients. It goes through the whole process. It comes out through our big dryer. The hypoallergenic, that area is a lot of different ingredients because that goes and then is made into the kibble directly from there. Most of it's cooked at another factory.
What we do here is on every bit of food Purina makes, whether it's the DAD we make that you see here or the LAD. So whether it's dry or liquid, it goes on all the kibbles. So it's very important.
I'm proud of the work that we do here. We're feeding animals, and I know how people feel about their pets, so we try to do a good job so that they have healthy pets.
Our pets are like family to us. And when you go to the store and you see all of the Purina food on the shelves, it makes you feel good that that's the product that we're making here in Hager City.
I stay at Hager City because I like what I'm doing here, and I get along well with the people.
In the last couple of years, we switched from 5 days a week to continuous operations, which meant we added a lot of employees. And there was a big shift change in culture when that happened. And it's taken a lot of effort to really build together in order to help make us the strong factory that we are.
I met some really good people here, so I got good friends here. So sometimes it don't feel like I'm at work. It feels like you're just kind of hanging out with the guys.
The maintenance team to me is kind of like family. I bake a lot of goodies.
We're really kind of close-knit and we're really comfortable working with each other, and it just feels kind of like family.